waxaan ilaahay ugu mahadcelinaynaa runtii ilaahay halkan isugu keenay inagoo caafimaad qabna waxaan mahad siinayaa qoladii soo organize garaysay shirkan ama workshopkan inoo facilitate garaysay aad baan soo dhaweynayaa ugu mahadcelinayaa waxaan doonayaa aad baa looga hadlay oo af Soomaaliya inagula hadalay oo wuxuu yahay botanical garden-ka aynu doonayno inaynu samayno master plan-ka inuu hor yaalo aynu doonayno inaynu ka wada qayb qaadano aad baa looga hadlay runtii waa laga hadlay af Soomaali baana si weyn loo ku sharaxay markan dambana insha Allah wixii halka laynagu keenay halkan maanta inuu hor yaalay bugaagtaasa waa draft waxaynu doonaynaa haddii alla yidhaahdo wixii lagu kordhinayo inaynu maskaxdiina ku kordhisaan oo aynu maallo wixii inoo hor yaalana aynu insha Allah bismillaahi alkariim sideeda u qaadano wixii kale ku daraynana si weyn iyadana uga qayb galno imika waxaan doonayaa bal inaan laba kelmadood oo Ingiriisi ah aan ugu mahadceliyo qoladan iyo idinkaba bal aanaan in yar ka hadlo purpose-ka ama waxa danta aynu ka leenahay botanical garden-ka maanta aynu halkan isugu nimid Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable ministers, the delegation from Ethiopia, the delegation from Ethiopia, Regional Development Corporation of Africa, the Embassy of Taiwan, and all the other distinguished guests. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you so much for coming and engaging in such a fruitful workshop in which BVO, the World Voluntary Organization, and the Horn of Africa Environmental Network with the Ministry of Environment and Climate Change has organized. And we would like to share with you the master plan of Gedele Botanical Garden. I hope you will add valuable inputs that will upgrade the design of the botanical garden for Somalia. Let me introduce to you this project. The process of this project started in 2015. Allow me to thank all the entities and agencies who supported us to make this ambitious project possible, including but not limited to the President of Somaliland for his endless support for the project, achieving Somaliland's first botanical garden. SIDA, the Horn of Africa Environmental Network, Barwaqa Voluntary Organization, the community of Gedele, Hargeisa Water Agency, Dar es Salaam authorities, and the Minister of Interior with its governors and the police of Somaliland. Thank you so much, literally, for supporting us to achieve this valuable project. We are all here today to work on the first phase of the project, the master plan. In this phase, I will emphasize few points or important points. Does the master plan fit our purpose in terms of building sizes, in terms of the area, in terms of the number, the view, and accessibilities, and so on? Is the project sustainable? The master plan should be designed with a sustainable architecture approach to promote sustainable use of energy, air, soil, water, sun, and other resources that we have. Multifunctional master plan. Is it a multifunctional master plan? Also, the plan should ensure it is not limited to environmental research fields only. It should be designed for multifunctional purpose to accommodate all our needs, including climate change control measures, public education, conservation measures, plant ecology, and tourism restoration. In addition to the above benefits, we must design this botanical garden, because I'm always talking about political, sorry. In addition to the above benefits, we must design botanical garden to contribute the national economic development, or at least to sustain itself. If it does not sustain itself, it will be a problem. It should sustain itself. Just to summarize what I have stated, the government has already made a strategic decision by selecting a strategic location for the project, Gedebli. It's a strategic area. Thus, to achieve all the benefits that the master plan, we want 100% contribution from all stakeholders, including but not limited to the university. All the stakeholders, we need their support. Literally, we need all the stakeholders' support, and inshallah, it won't be only limited to the universities for educational purpose. I would like to thank the Taiwan Embassy for their time and effort in joining this last time and this time also. Thank you so much, and inshallah, bidmillah al-kareem, this is not the only time we will be together. I know we will be together many other times, because we are at the initial phase of this project, and we need your support, and we need your ideas, and we need your, what can I say, funds. Thank you so much.